Mutaratara mweru wa mathomo ma CBC urerikana ungigacirithio na njira iria yagirire no ukorwo na uguni munene kuri arutwo no to arutwo tu indi ni nginya bururi na njira ya gutura mieke ya mawira niguo gukuria utonga wa bururi. Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kuma bururi wa Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania na gicigirira gia Zanzibar ni magathiririe mutaratara uyu makiuga ngira matu wega no ukorwo uri uteithio munene kuri arutwo hamwe na mabũrũri maya.
We need to put money there, we need to put resources, we need to train teachers. So I also call upon other members of parliament from Tanzania, Kenya and Uganda to make sure that they join these movements concerning facilitating about about soft skills and values.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo mabũrũri-ini maya, arutwo na arutani matire marahota gutaũkwo wega mathomo maya gukwa aciari magikuithio murigo murito wa guteithĩrĩria ciana ciao mathomo-ini maya maria onao matarataũkwo.
Arutani matrainwo wega na niturarora uria arutani mangitrainwo aria me college ona aria me kirathi kana neo pre-service na in-service. Ria gatatu ni ho hena bata muno ni undu wigie muciari. Maundu megie values ta undu wigie gitio, kwaria uma kana honesty, patriotism, kwenda bururi witu. Muciari areka ate nigetha mwana wake akorwo na maundu maya. Aciari maraharĩrĩrio atia? Mũmbunge kuma bururi wa Tanzania oritie mbunge kuma mabũrũri maya matatu kuhĩmbĩria mathomo maya na gutigĩrĩra mbunge ni ciathukĩra mathomo maya kĩgĩna gĩa kũigana nĩguo aciari matige gukuithio murigo.
Kuweza kufanikiwa katika hii inahitaji ushirikiano na zaidi ya yote tunahitaji rasilimali, kwa sababu hao walimu ambao ndio wako katika usukani wa kuweza kuendesha gurudumu hili ambao watasaidiana na wazazi, kunahitajika rasilimali za kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba hao walimu wanafundishwa.
Na kuona guku bururi-ini arutwo junior secondary marorete kuingira thukuru cia senior school, thirikari ni yuritio kwarira mitaratara mikinyaniru niguo ndikanahobanĩrio ihinda riu ria kinya.
Our education systems or our governments have tried to include these competences in the curriculum. Even at primary school level we have about 17 skills that are stipulated. We have CBC or competence-based curriculum that was introduced at the lower secondary school. They are there, but then you ask yourself why. And the reason we are trying to dismantle those problems, we are looking at the curriculum, the assessment, the teaching, but also the parents themselves. Do they actually understand?
Shirikiana na wakurugenzi wa mitaala, lakini pia na wa mitihani, watungaji mitihani. Kwa sababu hapo pawili ndo panahitajika hasa kushirikiana kwa pamoja. Kwa upande wa mitaala tunawasaidia waweze kuzifahamu na kuzitambua na kuzitaja zile mahiri ambazo wanataka kuzijenga.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.